Struggling to get accurate air-fuel readings for your tuning? Here are the 5 best wideband gauges I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, AEM X Series Wideband Gauge. Let's kick things off with the AEM 3300 X Series Wideband UEGO AFR Sensor Controller Gauge. Priced at around $253.31, this gauge caught my eye with its sleek design and an impressive 87% larger display compared to its predecessor. If you want precise and fast air-fuel ratio readings for optimal engine tuning, this is worth a serious look. This gauge is designed to give you real-time feedback with its X-Digital wideband technology, which means you can trust the readings for tuning your engine safely and effectively. It features 05V and RS-232 serial port outputs for data logging, so you can easily connect it to your engine management system. Not to mention, the faster response time helps ensure that your engine runs smoothly under various conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The accuracy in your air-fuel ratio can prevent engine damage and improve performance, 2 things every car enthusiast cares about. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high, especially for DIY tuners. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your tuning and want a reliable gauge that gives you peace of mind, the investment is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a serious tuner looking for precision and reliability. But skip this one if you're just looking for basic readings without the need for detailed data logging. Overall, it's a solid investment for your performance vehicle. Now, if the price tag of the AEM gauge bothered you, this next one might be more appealing for your wallet. Product number 2, FHRHRY Wideband UEGO Gauge. Next up is the FHRHRY Wideband UEGO Air-Fuel Ratio Gauge, priced at $122.67. I was drawn in by its digital LED display that changes color as your AFR changes, a cool feature that makes it easy to read at a glance. If you want a gauge that combines functionality with an appealing design, this one's worth checking out. The 4.9 LSU sensor provides quick and accurate readings, reacting to changes in the air-fuel ratio almost instantly. This is crucial for anyone tuning their engine because even a slight adjustment can make a big difference. Plus, the 50-toom size means you can install it in most vehicle dashboards without a hassle. This wide compatibility allows it to work with various engine management systems. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Knowing your AFR in real time can help you avoid engine damage, especially during those high-performance runs. Some users mentioned issues with installation instructions being a bit unclear. Honestly, that part frustrated me too. However, the gauge's plug-and-play design makes it relatively easy for most DIY enthusiasts, so it's not a deal-breaker for everyone. But skip this one if you need advanced logging features. It's great value for the performance enthusiast. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for advanced features. Product number 3. ZHSY-MX Universal Digital Wideband Gauge. Now let's look at the ZHSY-MX Universal Digital Wideband Air-Fuel Ratio Gauge, available for $107.18. I was impressed by its straightforward design and ease of installation. If you're after something that gets the job done without frills, this gauge is worth a serious look. It doesn't require free air calibration, which means you can start using it right away without complicated setup. The real-time feedback it provides is crucial when tuning your engine, as even minor adjustments can significantly impact performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having accurate air-fuel readings at your fingertips can save you from costly engine repairs down the line. On the downside, some users pointed out that the display can be tricky to read in direct sunlight. I didn't expect this, but it's something to keep in mind, especially if you drive with the top down or have a bright interior. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install gauge that won't break the bank, but skip this one if you need a feature-rich unit for advanced tuning. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for something with even better precision and features, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, JJCOCO Wideband Gauge Kit. Next is the JJCOCO Wideband UEGO Air-Fuel Ratio Gauge Kit, priced at $139.46. Right off the bat, I love the ultra-fast response, just 20 ms. If you want precise tuning capabilities that can keep up with your engine's demands, this gauge is definitely worth considering. Plus, the vibrant 24-color LED display is not just eye-catching. It also gives you instant feedback on your air-fuel ratio, making tuning straightforward. The dual calibration modes, resistor trim or free air, add convenience for both beginners and seasoned tuners alike. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ability to monitor your air-fuel ratio accurately can mean the difference between peak performance and engine failure, especially at high RPMs. However, some users found the connectors a bit bulky, which can complicate installation slightly. I'll be real with you, if you're not comfortable with wiring, you might want to have a pro install it. But for those who are DIY savvy, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable gauge with quick response times and advanced features. But skip this one if you're looking for something super easy and straightforward. It's a worthwhile investment if you're serious about tuning. Finally, let's look at one more option that might be a better fit for those on a tighter budget. Product number 5, ZHSYMX Basic Wideband Gauge. Last but not least is the ZHSYMX Universal Digital Wideband Air-Fuel Ratio Gauge, which you can grab for just $103.30. This one is designed for those who need reliable performance without all the extra bells and whistles. If you want something simple yet effective, this gauge could be your go-to. Its digital wideband technology ensures you get accurate readings, allowing you to tune your engine effectively. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A straightforward gauge that gives you accurate readings can help maintain engine health and optimize performance without breaking the bank. That said, some reviews pointed out that the build quality felt a bit cheap, which honestly surprised me. But for the price point, I think it's fair, and if you're not planning to use it in a professional setting, it should do the job just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly gauge that's easy to install and use, but skip this one if you're looking for high-end features or advanced data logging capabilities. It's a solid bang for your buck. Now let's wrap things up and compare these amazing products. So we've looked at 5 fantastic wideband gauges: the AEM X Series for precision, the FHRHRY for budget-friendly functionality, the ZHSYMX for simplicity, the JJCOCO for advanced features, and the basic ZHSYMX for those on a budget. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the AEM X Series because of its reliability and superior performance for serious tuners. Definitely avoid the cheaper options if you need something for professional use. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.